This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Production and Operation Management of Nestlé Company. Introduction. Nestlé is a nutrition company that aims at enhancing better and quality livelihoods to people. It has varied products that mainly help in improving the healthy lifestyle of the people. Over the years, the company has used its resources and technology to find sustainable solutions to socio-economic needs of its customers. Some of these needs include poverty eradication, better sanitation, and food security. This gives the company a competitive advantage over many other companies. Apart from corporate social responsibility, the company created Nestlé Nutrition, a business strategy meant to focus on the core nutrition business. Therefore, strengthening the leadership in this market is crucial for their success. This market is the primary motivation for the purchase of its product, based on the nutritional value. Nestlé Nutrition is an autonomous global business unit that is meant to increase the competitive edge of the company. The unit is charged with the profit and loss responsibility in its utmost domains, which include infant nutrition, healthcare nutrition, and performance nutrition. The latter is aimed at delivering superior business performance to consumers by offering science-based nutritional products and services. To enhance its competitive advantage, the company has a corporate wellness unit, which focuses on integrating nutritional value to food and beverage products. It encompasses communication effort, which brings the necessary expertise in consumer benefits. Nestlé products and services. Nutrition has been the cornerstone of Nestlé Company since its inception in the year 1867. Therefore, most products and services provided by the company revolve around nutritional needs. The company strives at providing quality products and services which will help in promoting a better and healthy well-being of its consumers. Nestlé has gained a world reputation for its consistency in providing quality and safety products. Many of the products generated by Nestlé Company are beneficial based on the nutritional aspects. They include breakfast cereals, milk and other dairy products, as well as bottled water, which has diverse accrued advantages. Many of these products dominate in both local and global markets. The company has ventured in the chocolate and confectionery industry. Some of these products have been in existence for over a century. For example, S. Pellegrino and Nestlé Mocha are known in Italy and Brazil for many years. The most revered world brands include Nescafé, Nestea, Maggi, Buitoni, Purina, and Nestlé. Other brands, such as Milo and Nespresso, sell in many countries. Nestlé takes a holistic approach in providing nutrition to the people. This entails devising wellness programs that facilitate the people to make their living healthy. The services include babies' development, sports nutrition, and weight management. No doubt, Nestlé brand portfolio practically covers all food and beverages categories. Design and quality control strategies. The running of the company's business is governed by two fundamental documents: Nestlé Corporate Business Principles and Nestlé Management and Leadership Principles. The two provide the code of ethics that governs the policies and strategies of the company. They outlay the tone and style of approach to the running of the business. The company's business strategy is to produce and market its products in a way that creates sustainable value to all stakeholders, including the employees, consumers, and business consortium in the areas that the company operates. The company does not favor short-term profits over long-term business orientation. The company recognizes that consumers have a legitimate interest in the behavior and the success of the company's business, hence it embraces cultural and social diversity. The company is not discriminatory in management of the business on the basis of nationality, religion, race, or age. The company is not involved in political issues. The rich cultural diversity helps in building innovative ideas for generating products which would meet the needs of the society. The company has not been left behind in environmental conservation. It has invested heavily in conservation of the environment. In a bid to save the environment, the company has endeavored in recycling of waste materials and packaging. Nestlé pioneered the Kyoto Protocol, an agreement to control carbon dioxide emissions in combating global warming. The company was the first to produce biodegradable containers as an alternative to plastics for packing their food products. Nestlé Competitive Advantage. Nestlé is a global organization, and its international strategy should be the heart of its competitive domain. The competitive strategy of the company mainly focuses on foreign investment in dairy and other food businesses. When operating in a more developed environment, Nestlé strives to attain economies of scale via foreign direct investment. In a developing environment, Nestlé company goes the local way by utilizing the local raw materials and employing the appropriate brand. Nestlé company strikes strategic partnership with other large companies. For example, the company entered an alliance with Coca-Cola Company to produce ready-to-drink beverages, such as tea and coffee. This was in a bid to utilize the established bottling system and necessary expertise in beverage preparation. The company has employed the strategy of acquiring the local companies to form an established autonomous regional manager who is aware of the local market dynamics. Nestlé has left a significant mark in the food and nutrition sector, hence becoming very competitive in the scope of business. This report on production and operation management of Nestlé company was written and submitted by your fellow student. You are free to use it for research and reference purposes in order to write your own paper. However, you must cite it accordingly.